mass training of teachers in the National Capital Region, which starts this week. Likewise, Cebu Normal University and Leyte Normal University, which have been identified by the Teacher Education Council as the service providers for Region 7 and Region 8, will hold the training of grade 7 teachers starting May. Past normal schools who are now comprehensive universities, such as Mariano Marcos State University, which was formerly Ilocos Norte Normal School, Bicol University College of Education, which was formerly Albay Normal School, and West Visayas State University College of Education, which was formerly Iloilo Normal School, will likewise do the same. The pursuit of reforms in education is necessary if we are to be globally competitive. The time to act is now. This government has shown that it has the political resolve to do so. I wish to thank everybody who is involved in this endeavor. May God be with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Commissioner Defensor. We now proceed to the presentation of the K-12 curriculum module, The School Children and Teachers. We invite His Excellency, President Benigno S. Aquino III, to witness the presentation to kindergarten and elementary pupils of Centex Manila and to high school students of Ramon Magsaysay High School. Thank you, Mr. President, our education leaders and partners in Congress, students and teachers from Centex Manila and Ramon Magsaysay High School. Thank you. To introduce our guest of honor and speaker, we call on Education Secretary Brother Armin A. Luistro, FSC.
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, kagalang-galang na Benigno S. Aquino III.
Good afternoon. Thank you. Please sit down. Secretary Armin Luistro, Senator Ed Angara, Congressman Sani Angara, Congresswoman Kimi Guapo, Congressman Mel Sarmiento, Congressman Ging Mercado, Congressman Mariano Piamonte, Secretary Dinky Suliman, Secretary Sani Coloma, Secretary Joel Villanueva, Yusek Yolanda Quijano, Commissioner Nenalyn Defensor, former Congresswoman Risa Tiveros Braquel, kindergarten, elementary, and high school students and the respective teachers, friends from the business sector, friends from the international community and partner agencies, fellow workers in government, honored guests, mga minamahal ko mga kababayan, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Can I apologize for being about 30 minutes late? We were discussing the Philippine Investment Plan to cover the years from 2011-2016, And these are the details of exactly where we'll bring in or put in about over 5 trillion pesos. Since I will have to explain where each and every centavo will go to, I was asking them the pertinent questions, and it dragged on and on. And actually, I will have to go back to that meeting right after this very momentous occasion. And may I apologize to our international friends. As usual, I'll be delivering the speech in the national language. I apologize that you will have to read the hard copy afterwards. Okay. Siguro maganda ho para magandang mailagay natin ang ating sarili sa paksa nitong araw na ito, magkwento muna ako. Meron po ako isang tiyo na typical na male, mahilig humanood ng sining action, gera, etc. Nagkataon po na nagkaroon siya ng home theater system. Ito po yung panahon ng aking ina bilang Pangulo at ikinabit sa bahay. Yung home theater system po niya ay nakakabit rin doon sa kanilang garden dahil may nakita siya nung pagbiyahe sa Amerika na tinatawag na garden speakers na mumurahin. Ngayon, ang punto po nito, konektado doon sa home theater system niya. So at kadalasan, dahil nung sa po ay bata, hindi pa uuso yung home theater, tunay na theater po yung pinupuntahan niya, at saka cliffhanger. Yung bang papanoorin niyo yung isang episode tuloy nito, bumalik kayo after 2 weeks para sa next episode. So yung home theater po, ay hindi niya ganap na alam para paandarin. Anak niya ang inaasahan para pa i-on at i-set up yung kunyang papanoorin. Nagkataon po Sabado sa manunod at medyo gabi na po yata, nag-umpisa siya bandang mga alas 11 ng gabi, wala po yung mga anak niya, gumigimik nung panahon na yon. So, buti na lang, alam mo rin po niya yung on at saka yung play. Sinaksak po naisaksak na po yung sine ng gera. Ang sa hindi na asahang pagkakataon, hindi po niya alam na nakakonekta pala yung mga speaker doon po sa garden. At syempre, para maganda yung sine, malakas. So, nung umpisa na nagsabugan, nagbarilan, panahon noon ng nanay ko, di may mga kusi lang inaasahan, nagbukasan po lahat ng mga ilaw na kanilang kapitbahay dahil akala may kudeta na naman na nangyayari. Sabang dumating yung kanyang anak at sinabi, Dad, yung buong kapitbahay akala nagkakagulo na dito. Tapos doon nila nalaman. At pinatay na niya. Hindi ko malaman ngayon kung natapos yung sine sa kahihiyan, sa skandalong ginawa niya doon. So, siguro maganda dagdagan ko pa ng kwento. Ako naman po, nainabutan ko nung bata. Ngayon, pag may kailan tayong kausapin na nasa Cebu, bunutin mo yung cellphone mo, alam mo yung number niya, segundo, kausap ko na. Tama ba? Nung bata ko, i-book nyo yung long distance. So, ang kailangan mo lang alam nun, dahil mo yung number ng long distance operator, bibigay mo yung number ng gusto mong kausap, sino gusto mong kausap, tapos tatawagan ka, place mo sa umaga, sa hapon, bibigay siya yung kausap mo. Okay. So, I think I read somewhere, no, it was said that at the start, I believe, of the 20th century, the amount of knowledge that a person was expected to have could be contained in a Sunday edition of the New York Times. However, today, even with just entertainment, no, when you buy a home theater system, you have to be able to set it up. Positioning the speakers, putting in the parameters of the delay, understanding what HDMI means, and so on and so forth. And even getting your remote controls to talk to each other. Okay. I'm narrating this because I have a cabinet secretary whose old home theater conked out and he decided to buy himself a new one. And up to now, he has yet to watch a single film because he's still setting it up. Okay. That brings me to the topic at hand. Ito po siguro ang punto ng ating pong kwento. Sa panahon po ngayon, tinatawag na